Good day everybody, I hope you guys doing super extra fantastic. So I was building a new PC, but it has been stopped for a while because I had a problem with the water cooling kit parts for Cooler Master. This may happen to everyone when they purchase a expensive CPU parts, because if those parts are seldom used, then company will not be prepared for dealing with some troubles. So I'll explain what exactly happened here. So I was fitting those water cooling kit parts when I encountered installing this water block. The screws did not fit. As you can see, this CPU part here require to use two CPU brackets, one for behind the motherboard and one on the surface of the motherboard between the CPU water block and the motherboard, and the water block goes on top of it. They both require a few screws. However, none of the screw did not fit because this condenser lined up here will block the height of fitting this bracket. So I told this to Cooler Master, and Cooler Master told the factory engineers, and like 1 month later on they sent me new screws and fitted perfectly here bracket. But these two screws did not fit because the lack of the length to catch this bracket. I told this to Cooler Master again, then same thing, they go through the same process. They'll contact the factory engineers, and now they sent me the package of screws, but did not fit. So I thought this is the best Cooler Master can do, so the rest of it I have to solve this problem on my own. So what I actually did here, I used spring here, and these two screws are pre-existed screws. Any other PCs, they use two types of screws. But there's a few types of screws exist in the world. The American version or Japanese version or other versions, but fortunately Cooler Master was using very common type of screws, so I could purchase those screws from local DIY store to fit here. So it's solved now. Now I'm going to install this in PC case and then I'll get on with the tubes.